Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we shall discuss barter system from the chapter Money and Banking of Class 10 Social Science. Today we shall take up the topics what is barter, example of barter system and disadvantages of barter system. So let us start. What is barter? Barter is the direct exchange of commodities against commodities. Look at this example. An individual A produces rice and needs sugarcane. And then there is another individual B who produces sugarcane and needs rice. In such a case, direct exchange is possible between the two individuals. Look at this picture. In this picture, individual A produces milk and wants bread. Individual B produces bread and wants milk. Here, the two individuals can easily exchange their commodities and direct exchange is possible here. But barter system has major disadvantages. There are 4 major disadvantages of barter system. They are discussed below. Number 1. Lack of double coincidence of wants. The barter system does not work when there is a lack of double coincidence of wants. It refers to a situation where the mutual wants of the buyer and the seller are less likely to be fulfilled simultaneously. For example, in the previous example that was given, individual A and B could easily exchange their commodities because the other person had the commodity which the person required. But the problem arises when B needs fish and A does not produce fish. Let us suppose C produces fish but then C does not want sugarcane. In such a situation, there is lack of double coincidence of wants. Look at this picture, you will be easily able to understand what lack of double coincidence of wants mean. Next point is lack of common unit of account. There was no standard unit of account to determine the value of the commodity. The value of each commodity was expressed in terms of another commodity. For example, 1 apple is exchanged for 3 guavas and so on. The problem was that it was impossible for the consumer to keep in mind innumerable rates of exchange. So the second point is that there was no common unit of measurement, no common unit of account during the time of barter system. Let us discuss the third point. Third difficulty is the difficulty of divisibility. Barter system had a difficulty of divisibility. As some commodities are non-divisible, exchange of those commodities with some other commodities may not be beneficial. For example, it is not gainful to exchange an elephant for some quantity of rice because if you go to divide an elephant, it will be of no use. It is impossible to divide an elephant. Thus, the lack of divisibility made exchanges quite difficult during the barter system. The last point is difficulty of store. Saving is a part of earning. People save for future security, future transaction and future earnings. But during barter system, saving was very difficult. It was difficult because it was impossible to keep the goods which is easily perishable. Perishable goods could not be saved for future use. It could not be saved for many days. So this was another difficulty of barter system. So in today's class we understood what is barter system. We have seen few examples also. And then we discuss the four major problems of barter system, that is lack of double coincidence of wants, lack of common unit of account, difficulty of divisibility, and difficulty of store. So the important questions that you are going to prepare from today's class is: what is barter system, and explain the disadvantages of barter system. These two questions are very important that you should learn. Everyone, for watching this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please share this video as much as possible. I shall come up with a fresh topic in our next video.